I think that, as I said, the intent of that slide really was to identify some half-formed things that I think we need to talk about and we need to figure out. Because I hear what you say. I don't think many people in industry would say that the current model is becoming no longer an option, right? That may be the direction of travel, but it seems like that's a really important discussion that we need to have. So I think in the course of the CSA and other discussions over the next, probably quite short term, we need to explore that, right? Because I think that it is that's a pretty fundamental premise. I think companies today, my company and probably others here, will look at it in that way. We have a drug in phase 1, phase 2, it looks pretty promising. There are a number of different ways we think we can think about developing it. And I think we'll carry on thinking about it in that way until, really it becomes clear that some of those ways are no longer an option. Now, I like the creative intelligence slide that you put up there, because for me that is also a way to start to actually have those discussions. And so again, maybe what we should try and do in the course of the next years is to get companies to come down that route. I mean, I was sitting next to Sue when you put that slide up, and I'd really be interested in how you thought about it. But I think for GSK, my experience there, I don't think we're at that point yet.